We were prompted to engage GE Healthcare because we had Centricity Business, but we just knew intuitively that we weren't maximizing the solution. And so we needed GE's help to come in and help us look at the entire revenue cycle across the board on where can we maximize the use of Centricity Business and where were we missing opportunity. And that's what started the journey. The main desire was to be more efficient and look at maximize our revenue with a reduction in cost. As a result of that, we've lowered our cost over 20%, and we tied the Centricity improvements with other initiatives that we were transforming the revenue cycle with. So it worked in parallel with other kind of process and people improvements we were doing as an organization. At the same time, we drove our revenue to the tune of about 25% than we had historically. So everything kind of played together to maximize revenue and reduce cost.